Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today we're trading Euro USD, and I'm not stacking a lot of positions like I do. I'm just using a one lot size position, and as you can see, it's on the profits, and yeah. So let's hold on to this trade and see how it goes. As you can see, I used 1.09 lot size on a $220 account. So yeah, it's put my stop loss some few pips above. Yeah, so let's wait and see how it goes.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so guys, welcome back. As you see, the trade is going down, and so we're into profits, and as you can see, uh, so I want to tell you why I took this trade. Maybe you may be wondering, how did you know the market going to shoot down or bearish? So I use Trendline, and as you can see, this Trendline, uh, when it touches, let me adjust. So this is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So most like definitely when you're trading using Trendline, when it touches the third touch, every time the market touches the trend line, it has to go down. Okay, so the upper trend line, not the lower. And also every time the market touches the down trend line, this one here, it has to go up. So I waited for the market to touch the first trend line, second trend line, the third trend line. I wasn't online, so I missed the trade. As you can see, it went downward. This is some good amount of pips. So what I did, I waited for the fourth touch here, and the market has to obey trend line. So I entered the trade before this candle opened. I'm trading on the 1 hour time frame, so before this current candle opened, I entered into a sell. So with a tight stop loss, as you can see, my stop loss is very tight, few pips. So that's the confluence of the trend line. So yeah, so that's basically how you do it, and it's very easy. You have to be patient and wait for the market to touch trend line. So yeah, you have to be good at what you're doing, know how to do a perfect trend line, and most definitely you'll make good money. So as you can see, I'm on profit $136. This is a trade that I took a few minutes, like 30 minutes ago, and we are in profits. So yeah, this is very easy. I'm still holding it. I'm not going to close it, and I just wanted to share with you guys, and also you can see how it's easy with the right knowledge to trade forex. So yeah, if you want to see maybe a lot of big lot size or some challenge, maybe you want me to do a challenge, maybe $100 to $1,000, or maybe $10 to $50, or $10 to $100, or maybe $20 to whatever challenge, you comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'll appreciate if you subscribe. So thank you so much, and we'll meet on the next video.